Open your tech deck. Click on the eye icon to show the right plane. Click on the mirror tool. Click on the deck. Click mirror plane. Click on the right plane. Finish mirroring the deck/trucks. Click on the mirror tool again. Click wheel and axle. Click mirror plane. Click on the right plane. Finish mirroring. Name the new part wheel and axle 2. Click Sketch. Create a new sketch on the flat face of your deck. If you want to use text, you use the text tool. You may also put any other symbols you want on the face of your deck for easy identification. To draw a text box, select a point on your deck to anchor your text box to. Draw your text box. Type whatever text you wish. Finish the text. If there are errors, you will need to delete the coincident constraint. Finish the sketch. Extrude the text. Click the text sketch. Click this text field. Type backspace .125. Finish the extrusion. Now it is time to scale the skateboard down to tech deck size. Click on the drop-down menu to find Transform. Click Transform. Click Transform. Click Wheel and Axle 2. Click Wheel and Axle. Click Deck. Click Translate by Line. Click Scale. Click this text field. Click Point or Make Connector. Click on the origin. Finish the transformation. Right-click Tech Deck. Click Export. Click this text field. Type your name. Click Export. Be sure that the format is STL, the units are inch, and that the resolution is fine. Nothing else should be selected.